Want to talk to AI like a pro? Want responses that are sharper, faster, and 10x more accurate? Welcome to this free masterclass on prompt engineering, designed specially for beginners. In this video, I'll teach you the exact techniques that professionals use to get powerful results from ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other AI models. No technical background needed, just simple, practical skills. By the end of this class, you'll know how to write perfect prompts, use frameworks like CRISP, Riche, and role-based prompting, analyze and refine AI responses, build prompts for content, coding, business, and more. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering equals giving AI clear instructions so it can create better answers. Think of it as talking to AI in a structured, smart way. Why it matters: saves time, gives professional results, helps in content creation, business, coding, design, marketing, education, and more. The biggest mistake beginners make: most people write vague prompts like, write a blog on AI, make a thumbnail idea. These give basic results because the AI doesn't know who you are, what style you want, who your audience is, what format is required. Solution: be specific, structured, detailed. Perfect prompt formula. The RICCE framework. Role, instructions, context, constraints. Example: act as a digital marketing expert. Write a 150-word Instagram caption for a skincare brand. Target audience: women 20 to 35. Tone: playful and trendy. Include 3 hashtags. This gives professional results instantly. Common beginner prompts you should avoid: write something, explain AI, make a story. These are too simple. Final takeaways: 3 rules to remember. Give AI a role. Add context plus constraints. Always refine the answer. If you got value from this free class, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment, Prompt Master, if you want part 2.